In this video, I'll show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. To delete a single repost, open the repost you want to remove, tap the share icon, select remove repost, and it'll be deleted. But if you want to delete all reposts at once, here's what to do. Tap the icon in the top right corner to go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Report a Problem. Scroll again, find Other, and click on it. Tap Need More Help and type a message like this: Hello, TikTok team. Please help me delete all my reposts at once or guide me on how to do it. 5. Add your username and email, then hit submit, and that's it. These are the two ways you can delete reposts on TikTok. Give it a try.